Okay, I restarted the video. I can only post to YouTube in like little bits because of my phone. So sorry. I don't know what the noise is now. I'm telling you. This house is crazy creepy. Okay, I totally just heard something behind me. There's nobody here. I don't see anything. I don't hear anything except for my fish tank, of course. Alright. I'll let you know if I hear anything else.